Welcome back to episode 5 of my home buying process series. It's your realtor, Chris Luna with Compass. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about 3 important things to know when reviewing the seller's disclosures as well as getting through the inspections. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, so first thing is we're going to review the seller's disclosures. And what we're looking for is any disclosures from the seller regarding any possible previous leaks, any fires, any kind of insurance claims and things of that nature. That's going to be usually listed on 2 disclosures, which is called the real estate transfer disclosure or the seller's property questionnaire. And as these things are listed, it'll let you know as a potential buyer to understand what the history of the home is, if there's been any hazards in it, or if there's been any leaks, fires, things of that nature. And so now we're going to be moving on to the inspections. Let go! So the next part is going to be ordering the home inspections. So the most common inspections that I have ordered are the general home inspection, a pest and termite inspection, and the roof inspection. And then for some cities that have city ordinances, or if the home is just simply older, then I'd recommend having a sewer lateral inspection done as well. Now this is all part of your due diligence, and I would definitely recommend doing any and all inspections you feel necessary, just so you know that you're buying a home that is in good shape, or if it's not in good shape and it needs some work, you at least know what to expect. All right, moving on to the inspection review. All right, so once we've completed the inspections and we've received the reports, what we do is we're going to go through the inspection reports and just review it, look for any items that are considered health and safety or structural items. Once we've identified those, we work on negotiating the seller to make the necessary repairs to make the home safe and livable for you. There you have it, guys. Everything that you need to look into when reviewing the seller's disclosures as well as going through the inspection reports. Thank you for watching episode 5. Stay tuned to next week, the closing stage. All right, that's going to be dropping again next Tuesday. In the meantime, take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.